got my new camera and my new music, and I was all ready to show it off. I was all ready to show people that I'm a real streamer now. And it was full. All right, I gotta sit down. I gotta rest the feet. What's my plan here? Let's do that. Give that some depth. Viewers are important. If there are no viewers, then you'd be streaming to nobody. Which, by the way, thank you, everyone who is here. Thank you for viewing. Without viewers, there would be no Twitch. I would be drawing, but it wouldn't be on Twitch. I would still be drawing this book. When I first started streaming, I said, well, if nobody watches, at least I'm going to draw this book whether people watch or not. So I may as well just draw the book and turn the camera on. I may as well get some kind of interest into what I'm doing. So thank you everyone for being here. All right, how's that look? Is he well dressed? That's a well dressed shoulder. I think that's a well dressed shoulder. So this is what I've been doing off screen, when I'm not streaming. I do the pencils. So give the pencils a little bit more depth. I need two faces here. I need some more fingers on that. And then the next pencil, the next panel rather, need a face and some more shading on the arms and the legs. And I need a lot going on here. So we will get there. We will get there when we get there. And now, let's see who we can find to raid, shall we? Let's see who's available. How about Armor of Faith? We always raid Armor of Faith. I'd like to find somebody new, though. How about Lauren's Lair? Let's raid Lauren's Lair. Nope. Alright, so Lauren's Lair is available. She is a family-friendly streamer. I don't know if she's Christian or not, but I do know that she's family-friendly. Let's go. I'm going to copy and paste the... Here's the raid message. Feel free to copy and paste that into the chat, and from my chat into her chat. And let's go. Let's raid Lauren's Lair. Spelling counts. Lauren is also an artist. She's doing some drawing. Let's start the raid. Who's with me? 3 people are with me. Let's raid now.